What's up, guys? We are back with another YouTube video. What we're gonna do today is we have two plans. We're gonna quickly do a shirt, but we're also gonna do the hoodie here. So my wife got some oil stains. I don't know if you can see on her hoodie. The lighting's not good.
It's very dark.
Can you see that? There's bad stains on it. Actually, can you come up close and zoom in on it?
You can't.
Let me show you guys. This one's the most obvious one, but they're small. You can see it in the camera. The oil stains. So we're gonna dye it like a dark gray. I'm gonna quickly go to my garage, and then we're also going to spray paint, or not just spray paint, but we're going to do a design on a shirt. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go do. So we're gonna quickly go. I'm gonna go get the dye. Alright, so what I just did is I poured in salt in the water. It is boiling water. I boiled the water on the stove, put it on the highest heating until I felt like it was warm enough. So now what we're gonna do, I just mixed it up a little bit. I'm gonna put this here. And we're gonna pour this in. It should have a cap on, no cap. So we're only using charcoal gray because we don't have brown. But I think, oh, look. It should be close. Now it doesn't need a whole lot, so I'm probably just gonna use half. I think half is more than enough actually. And then you're just gonna mix it, just so it coats evenly. So we're just mixing it up. Now look, you can see how it's a little bit gray, and the water, it's a little, has to be a little even. And now where's that hoodie? Hot. Hot, hot, hot. There we go. So we're just gonna take this and put it in right here. That. Then we're gonna push it down into there. We're just doing this right now. We gotta just press it in every now and then, and then I'm just making sure that the dye gets in each part of the hoodie. The bad thing about this is you're only gonna be able to tell if it works after you wash it out. But it should wash. I mean, it should work properly. It's gonna change the color a little bit, but it'll look good. Because I'm a dyeing expert. But don't dye. I don't want you to die, please. I'll be very sad if you die. Alright, so we just got it right here. We're gonna empty it out, so follow me to the mess. So the key to this is you gotta rinse and rinse and rinse. But this is gonna be way easier than jeans. I know if you see my other videos, you know how difficult it is to dye jeans. So a hoodie's a little easier because you can wring it out. The cotton is different than denim, so it's a little easier. So we are going to just empty this out right now. I think a lot of the dye sat in the hoodie, so I think we're good actually. So it is still very, very hot. It's a little hard to see, I know, guys. Sorry about that, but you just gotta squeeze it out. And oh. And now my hand's gonna be permanently gray for the next couple days. Lovely. But you just gotta keep squeezing it until the dye completely comes out. Alright, so we're just gonna do this a couple times until it's done. I'll show you guys how it looks when it's wet. Then we still gotta wash it, dry it, and then we're gonna screen print it after. So that's gonna be tomorrow. So yeah, we'll see you guys then. Alright, so we're gonna do a shirt now. We're gonna screen print the shirt. We're gonna do it very fast because we need to get it done fast. So we got the hoodies in the bucket. We're going to put in the dryer. Well, wash in the dryer. I think it came out okay. We'll see how that came out in a second. But follow me. Perfect. Alright, finishing touches. We're gonna clean this up a little bit. By cleaning it up, I just mean move it. So let's do that. Alright, so as per usual, you gotta make sure we're screen printing. I'm not screen printing, heat pressing the paint into the fabric. And I gotta wipe this paint off, so I'll do that. Alright, so we just popped the hood open. The flappinator connected to the opinator, connected to the flappinator, just did that. Wow, wow. Meow, meow. So now we're gonna do this part. It's not that
What the heck? Look at me.
Alright, then we do this part here. So yeah, this is going to be a part of the new drop. Drop's coming out December 26th. Stay tuned. Purchase. Do stuff. White paint on the thumb. I'm going to get lead poisoning because of you guys, so thank you. Alright, so we got to make sure this is good. Actually, I'm tired. Let's just put this up because I think it's fine. And let's just hit it one last time right there. Alright, so we're going to do the design right now.
Okay.
And grand reveal right now. Boom, amazing. Came out just how I wanted to. Amazing. Maybe we can do a little design on the top here. This one right here as well. Hey,
Cool.
cool. Big man thing here. Let me show it to the camera. Let me show you how it looks. Boom. That's the design right there. That actually looks really sick. So now we're going to hit on the heat press a little bit. Alright, let's take this
Wait,
off.
can you hold up for a minute?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright. Nice. That looks beautiful. And centered so I can put the 10 on the back here. And let me hit it a bit with this right here. And do like that. Go down. Go right to left. Oh shoot. Perfect.
Good. It didn't let me record on the phone, sorry.
It's alright, don't worry. Go. Alright, so here we go. We're going to take the number 10 off, and then we're done. Boom. 2, 1. Wow, look, I'm wearing the shirt now. So, yeah, it looks pretty good. Fits pretty well. I look good. Right?
Let me just position it. Yeah, it's good.
Thanks. That's it. We're gonna now do the hoodie, which I have in the bucket still. We're gonna do that real quick. This is part 1. Dropping December 26th. And cop if you like it. It's probably gonna be a good deal. Wink. Try to dye it. Now it didn't work so good. You can still see some of the stains. So we came up with a compromise. We're gonna spray paint it instead because it is super hard to dye darker clothes. Like if you need to dye it, it needs to be a different color. Like it must be a lighter color to dye, or you must dye it the same color, like a dark brown. But that's okay. It's a little bit darker. It did a bit of a better job. You can tell in the hood a little bit that the color, like you probably can't see it on camera, but the color does look a little bit better. Like it looks more vibrant than before. But we're gonna do that. Also, subscribe, okay? We're almost at 1K, so subscribe. And we're gonna do the technique. We're gonna try to focus on this area here, right? So let's try to. What you doing? Okay. You can't tell me that's not sick.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Ooh, that's nice.
And then we're gonna do the shock jack in the middle.
Okay. And the
stains aren't even there.
stains are gone. Should you do the hoodie?
No, I kind of like it.
Should you do the back? Nah, I guess. I don't know.
Okay, let's go. There we go. So we're just gonna heat it a little bit, and then we're gonna use. Which one do you want? You want this one?
Oh, I'm so excited. Yeah, I think that one would look nice. Ooh, you should do the stars too. No?
Yeah, both. I'm gonna do both.
Okay, both. Are you gonna do white?
No, I'm gonna do like a light gray. I'm gonna put white on it, but it's gonna come out like light gray. Okay? But it's gonna look good though. Please check out the TikTok. Actually, subscribe to the TikTok if you want, but follow the Instagram, please. We're almost at 731, I think, I last checked. And it would be nice if we hit a K before the end of the year. But subscribe, bro. Please subscribe. Just do it. Just click it. I know you want to click it. Just click it. Just do it. Just follow the niche brand. Why wouldn't you want to follow the niche brand? So now we gotta lift it up. And then we're going to do the last side. Oh yeah, I was gonna check it. I think we just got a subscriber. Yeah, the stats have been looking good. If you want a little in the stats, let's take a look here. Let me show you guys something. Do you see that? Actually, this is the wrong one. But do you see this? Please zoom in. Okay. 873 out of 1,000. We need just a few to hit 1,000. And then you see the watch hours, it's at 1,000. We're a quarter of a way there. So this means that shortly, once we hit these goals, we will be monetized. And then I can actually make money off YouTube and we can make more shirts for you guys. Yay! Because I need money, I'm broke, please help me. Okay, so we're going to screen print on this. We're just gonna say Bismillah and do it. That's just above the pocket, so it's gonna be Shack Jack and then stars.
Yeah, I think you got it.
Or a little more higher.
Ow. Yeah. Woo, this looks cool.
Like that much is good? Right, so let's apply the...
I thought you were doing gray.
No, it's gonna turn gray, watch, so... But it's gonna be a light gray, if you know what I'm saying. Alright, so we're basically done here. Hopefully it comes out okay. It's probably gonna come out pretty bad, but that's okay. Side. Never comes out bad. Let's see, it should be nice. Okay, so far so good. I think the stars aren't gonna be the best, but...
No.
Oh
my god, that looks so good. That looks so nice.
That came out beautifully. Beautifully. Perfect, but... Oh, did you touch it?
No. No.
Show me your hand.
No.
Show me your fingers.
No.
And you know what? You can see the gray in it a little bit. You can see that I used a little bit. Look at it. Look. It looks great. Yeah, we spray painted it, but it looks...
Oh, you're right, it does.
You can tell the gray and you can't even see the stains on it anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Who's the best designer in the world? Alright, so here we go. We're gonna reveal the heat press right here. Oh, it came out so good. So, this is gonna stay into the shirt. If you don't know how I do it, I have a lot of videos on how I screen print, but yeah, this is probably one of my better screen prints. It came out really nice. So I'm gonna screen print a little bit more of this spray paint in, and then we're going to I think we might put something on the back, but let's see how this one goes. Right now we're doing the hood. I just put the stars as a design on the hood. I'll show you guys in 10 seconds when it updates. But it came out pretty fire. I added a little bit of spray paint on the back, just a very faint amount. And let me show you guys how the hood came out. And I like it because it's intertwined together. It looked pretty cool. So yeah, it's pretty much done. I'm gonna have my wife wear it, and then she will show how it looks on her. So yeah, let's do that. Alright, so we got the hoodie on. There's the spray paint. Wait, you're going too fast. You're going too fast. Turn around. That's sick. And now put your arms out. Sheesh. Turn around. That's the hood. The back, just a little bit on the back. I didn't do much on the back, but it looks fire. We got the oil stains out, that's for sure. Look, no more oil stains, right? No more oil stains, because it's white paint. And that's how you fix a hoodie that has oil stains in it. You just spray white paint over it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching. We're going to post this as a part of the collection. We're going to drop the collection on December 26th. So it's going to be this one. It's going to be the shirt I just made. It'll be the other shirt. We're going to make another zip up. I'm going to do jeans. I think I'm going to do... So there's a pair here. And then, yeah, we're going to have maybe like 6 to 8 pieces that we're dropping. So, yeah, look forward to that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.